Hello everyone. Confused on co-wash versus beard conditioner? Well, I'm going to help you clear that confusion up today. Hi you guys, my name's Joe. I go by JT9. So let's clear the air on this. So let me show you. I've got a couple examples right here on co-wash. This is Heinyaker's co-wash. Man, I just seen, I thought it was empty. Gonna have to get that. And then this is Defined Beard Company's beard conditioner. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wanting to clear up. Is co-wash, conditioner. They are the same thing. This is conditioner for your beard, and this is conditioner for your beard. They are the same. Now, different within the conditioner, and what I mean by that is, this is a heavier conditioner, and this is lighter than this, more of a medium conditioner. So there's differences in that, but the terms co-wash and conditioner, some companies use the term co-wash for their conditioner, and some will just say conditioner. So you guys, please don't be confused. They're the same thing. Now what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to wash our beards more often with conditioner or co-wash. It's the same thing. More than what we're doing beard shampoo. But we're shampooing it or washing it with conditioner more often, and then your beard shampoo the other times. So you guys, that's really the difference. There isn't, it's the same. So if you are using a co-wash and a conditioner at the same time, you're doubling up on your conditioner, and that's not necessary. It's the same product. Thanks you guys. Stick around with me. I've got some more stuff coming around. If you like this content, hit the subscribe. I appreciate that. Thanks everybody. See you soon.